with the head coach of the Huskies, Kim Cameron. Coach, congratulations, a wire-to-wire victory. Didn't feel, I'm sure, like you guys had a cushion the entire game, but you kind of did. It was a 10-point game for pretty much the entire last 30 minutes of the game, it seemed like.
It did not seem like that, actually, is what you were just saying. It did not seem like that in the sense that you saw 5 minutes to go in the game, and I don't know what it was, 10, 11, I don't know what it was. At 5 points to go in the game, we get immediate timeout. They come out and they go three threes.
Yeah.
Brie Gasparovich walks up and shoots one. Kola does the same thing, and I don't remember what the third one was. But it's like it can go so fast. It comes and goes, and it can go so fast. That team just has so much. They have so much firepower that you just never know. And when they start launching and that stuff is going in, it's scary, you know. But I thought we handled it really well. I thought we did a really good job of responding today, which is something that, you know, at this point in the season, now you're concerned. You want to see how you're going to handle the ups and downs. You know, you're headed into postseason. What's going to happen when a team makes a run? What's going to happen when a team throws a punch at you? Are you going to, you know, fall down, or are you going to get back up? And I thought we punched back tonight, which is, you know, that's a positive for us moving forward, especially looking to the postseason.
It seemed like it was a total team win. You know, all 5 starters had great games, 4 starters in double figures, and the one that wasn't, I gave the superior player of the game to, because she had 10 rebounds, 7 assists, 5 blocks, 4 steals, and the defensive effort that she had on Kola, forcing her 8 of 25 in the game. It just seemed like an all-around team win.
Yeah, you know, it was 100%. I thought our ball movement offensively was really good, and that was something that we had to focus on. This team does such a good job defensively. In their last 3 games, I think their opponents have been in the 40s, and you know, it scares you. It's enough off you where you're just not sure if you should shoot or can shoot or can't shoot. And I thought we did a great job moving the basketball. I thought we always found the open person. I thought, especially in the first half, inside out. I thought Jillian had another great game. Just
22 points on.
I guess obviously. Oh, was that an obvious one? I thought she had another, great game, and just her confidence and the confidence in our players, her looking for the shots that I think that she is capable of. But what a great team win, and I'm just so happy for the girls again to be able to take this feeling and have some confidence going into the postseason.
Absolutely. I was just commenting. She had 22 points, but I think, you know, other than the 2 threes, everything came within 2 feet of the basket and uncontested. I mean, a lot of passes put her right in great position to score.
She had great passes. She also sealed. You know, they switched some stuff, and I thought she had great seals. I thought she was able to find the basketball and finish, and and credit to her teammates too for finding her and being able to make those passes.
You guys get the sweep of your rivals, and you're getting set now for playoff time. Still not sure who we're going to host. Looks like both Findlay and Hillsdale are losing. Looks like Walsh is going to win. So I think that means that if Hillsdale and Findlay tie, Hillsdale has that tiebreaker. So I believe Hillsdale will probably be the team we're playing, but we've seen a good Hillsdale team. We've seen a Hillsdale team that we handled pretty well, and it's a little bit scary to see which team, if that's them or if it's Findlay. Obviously, they've got a good couple as well.
Yeah, you know, we were looking at the 3 teams that we could play, and I think that if Walsh wins, they're automatically in 7th.
Yeah,
you know, they're just coming off of a win against Wayne State, and then you have Hillsdale and you have Findlay, and Findlay makes everybody play horrible, to be honest with you. And it's just, you know, they have 6 different defenses. They run all of them. There's no rhyme or reason to when they do anything. They do a 5 out, 5 in shift change offense, and you know, lots of people are very capable. So that, and then the Hillsdale, we've seen, like you said, 2 different Hillsdales, but we know what they're we know what they're capable of. But you know what? We don't know yet. So right now we get to celebrate for a couple minutes because we don't know what's happening.
We can celebrate the end of the regular season. I think just the second time in school history that the Huskies have won 20 games in conference play. You're 22 in the GLIAC. You finish up with the regular season now. The second season starts on Wednesday. Congrats, Coach, on a great regular season, and looking forward to what this team can accomplish here in the second season.
Thank you so much.
That was head coach